Yeah, this is so cute. I don't normally do bobs, but girl, this is making me want to come out here. Like, no baby hairs. So for you guys who don't like baby hairs, girl, yes. Look at that. In the cut, rolling doobies up. Yeah. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Tell me why you gotta be like that. Gotta be like that. Ring around the rosy is the game you play. Sing around the lonely in the same old way. Thought I found my only, it's a shame to say. Got around a phony and got burned by flame. Turning in circles is hurtful and I been there before, but I got off the right. I swallow blood for I swallow my pride. Follow my gut for I follow my mind. All of the fighting, denying and lies. All of the hiding and crying inside. I try, but now the tears are all dry. And I'll be alright because I'll take it in stride. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope, and I'm not the only. Ashes, ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Burning my bridges with matches in hand. Learning my stitches are ashes from plans. Scratches from past when I couldn't withstand. Walking on fire and drowning in sand. Down in the sadness I found in the madness. The ground is the flattest when I am alone. Bound to the badness inside of my bones. Sounds of Damascus decide where I roam. Failure is practice, refining my growth. Tailored my axes, adaptive I rose. Back from the ashes and gases and clothes. Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this new cute look that's on my head. This one is another one from Outre. Yes, I'm wearing it in the style Annie Bob 12-inch in the color number 1B. And honey, tell me this not an entire look. I feel like even if you're somebody who's not into bobs like me, girl, this will take you way back, like girl. So the construction with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with a smidgen of baby hairs, which I tried to lay a little bit, but honestly I feel like you don't need baby hairs at all with this look. It could make it look a little bit more realistic because it does got a cute little hairline going on, but honestly, and just the way that the hair falls and everything, I kind of don't even feel like you need this. Like, you don't need them baby hairs because this is already a look. You dig what I'm saying? This is super cute. So you do get that singular HD lace parting going right down the middle, and that is looking quite shabby, if I don't mind saying so myself. This is high-tech friendly up to 400 degrees also, so just in case you wanted to add some heat to this bad boy, the texture, honey, is Yaki. I absolutely love this. I did not get any tangling or shedding. It's hard to say the density on this one just because it is a shorter unit and I'm not used to doing shorter units. If I had to guess, I would say it's definitely like a natural density, but a little bit on the thicker side. I feel like it is honestly a perfect amount of hair. I'd probably say it's like about 130% density like this. I love it. And here's the length, as you can see. This is like a long bob situation. Let me just turn to the side so you can get a look. You see that? Girl, it's like a little long bob. This is perfect. 12 inches. Oh my god. I am sold. Yes, Outre. So the cap size on this, I want to say it's definitely small and medium head friendly. Not so sure if it's big head friendly. I haven't adjusted the straps at all, and it's fitting my head pretty good. If you do have a larger size head, you may be able to get away with it, but maybe straight on the side of caution. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Girl,
To be honest, I literally have absolutely no cons whatsoever. Like, how could you? There's literally nothing wrong I could say about this unit. No tingling, no shedding. The hairline is looking good. The fact that this, when I say throw on and go, I mean literally throw on and go. You don't have to spend time doing baby hairs and none of that extra. The only time you're spending is literally just putting your concealer, and that is it. Honey, you could be good to go in like 5 minutes in this bad boy. Like, are you serious? I think I brushed it just a little bit, but like, I'm telling you guys, straight out of the box, this bad boy is good to go. I absolutely love this unit. I love the texture. I love the density. I love the kit. Girl. I love the lace. I love the hairline. I love the length. Everything about it. Like, Outre, girl. It's like, Outre. 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 I absolutely love this hair, you guys. That's honestly all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any other colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.